I hate you.
Yeah, well, I hate you too.
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel
Why?
not good enough. And it's hard at the end of the day.
No.
I need some distraction. Oh, for release. Memories seep through my veins. And maybe
So sorry that happened to you. I never wanted this to ever go this way. We should be friends, not enemies.
You say so.